So what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Ron. This is Gunner. Welcome to our channel. Today we're out in Conover again. We're riding with members of the Landover ATV Club. We're doing another dinner ride. So our first stop is going to be, I think, Buckatabon Lodge. And then I think Club 45. So that's up between Conover and Land Lakes. So I haven't had much time to make videos. So I've got one video that's going to take me all of 30 seconds to release. I just haven't, actually done anything with it. And then hopefully, if this one isn't crap, I'll have this one. So, by the way, I'm trying to get Gunner to enjoy his goggles. I don't know how long he's going to keep them on for, but so far he's holding his own. So, TBD, I guess. But I'm trying really hard to get him some eye protection. And then I won't feel so bad when I wear goggles. Today's not so bad. It's not too dusty, but still. So today is June 29th, I think. So I thought about riding down here, but I just kind of didn't have time. So I trailered over to Landover Trail Boss Gary Jr.'s house, unloaded, and Gunner and I are off. It wasn't my best. I don't know, because I haven't been riding as much, it's kind of screwing up my remembering of things. For instance, the other day I had to make a run and I had to pull out Gunner's pillow so that somebody else could hop in with me quick. And so naturally I forgot it at home. This is the part, I enjoy this section of trail. I do not enjoy having to sit here and try and babysit the lenses on these cameras though. Right? Am I right? That's right, Gunner Fred. So anyway, yeah, where was I? I don't even remember anymore. Oh, yeah, so anyway, so I remembered the goggles, right? I got him to wear the goggles. But then I forgot, I always put a pillow over my camera box so that he can stand on it and he doesn't have to try and sit here and balance on the seat. So he has plenty of room for his dog gymnastics or whatever the hell it is he does in here. And then I forgot his little vest harness thing so that I can clip him in. So I don't know. I'm just being a bad animal parent, I guess. I don't know. So it's been a little bit frustrating, if I'm being honest with you all. So hopefully, if I ever release my update video, you'll see that I added some marks to my cameras so that I could quickly hopefully quickly set them up in what I think is the best spot to catch video. And not have to pull my phone out and see what my camera's looking at. And just cut down as much time as I can. So anyway, we ran this trail last time. This is a K trail, we call it. That's County K over there. This trail basically parallels it. I was just checking to make sure he had his goggles on, and then I wasn't paying attention and he kicked them off on me. He's not quite sure how he feels about standing on that. I don't know why. Maybe it's because, we found this in the clubhouse. It's just some scrap carpet, but it's padded carpet. So I think maybe it's because the pillow is nice and soft, so it bounces when he's on it. And this is harder. So he just isn't quite sure how he feels about it. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys or you ladies and gentlemen, I should say. I hope you all are getting some riding in. If you've been up this way already, I'd love to hear about it, of course. Hopefully you had a good experience. If not, I hope you come back and give us another try. Let us know if there's anything we could have done better about it on our end. So this trail, it's kind of a bummer. It's pretty clouded over. But I really like the way this trail looks in the evening when the sun's kind of setting, and I don't know, it's got a nice yellow orange look through the trees, and it kind of lights up all the ferns and any of these leafy trees and stuff. I think, hey, no, don't start that. I just think that it's pretty cool. It's a nice little ride. See, the nice thing about Gunner having goggles is I can keep all the splashes on his side now. That's not good either. We don't want to splash up our buddy. I mean, we do. I'm sure he doesn't hate it. Look at him. So I'll be brutally honest, I really don't like doing that. I really do not like going, especially on corners. I do not like going on to the other side of the trail like this. It's not a good habit. I mean, I'm sure you all get why I'm doing it. It's because this water keeps giving me a bath. And I don't want to wipe the camp. Hey, just relax. You're fine. I just don't want to wipe my lenses all the time, you know? Hey, I'll go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that was our little trail section. We're gonna pop down here to Buckatabon Lodge quick. Have some chit chat. So I'll catch you in just a little while when we head to Club 45 for dinner.